If we were to, God forbid, have a hurricane this year, I'm afraid it might break the insurance market. There's a lot of companies right now that are on the edge, barely holding on, and they're one storm away from potentially going under, and all of this being complete chaos. There's a lot of issues. There's so many Florida-based insurance companies right now that only sell policies in Florida. So if Florida gets hit, everyone's surprised, oh, another insurance company went insolvent. Well, they put all their chips on one table. I think what we need are more companies like your State Farms, your Nationwide, your Allstates. We need the big companies that spread their risk over all 50 states to come into Florida. Now, how you do that, that's a whole separate debate I can go on for an hour. But the key is that the politicians need to work with the large insurance companies that have coverage across the nation, because you're never going to see a State Farm go out of business. You're never going to see a Nationwide. You're never going to see an Allstate. Your big ones are never going out of business. It's always these smaller insurance companies based out of Florida. Well, then Florida gets hit and they go under, and everyone acts surprised. So we got to get the bigger insurance companies here. I'm sure there's going to have to be incentives and tax incentives and different things we have to do. A lot of it's going to be on the backs of the politicians to try to make these deals happen.